Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix queued email problem in Gmail. So let's get started. So first, let's open our Gmail app right here, and from here what we're gonna do is go into Outbox right here by tapping here on the three horizontal bars in the top left of our screen, and from here we want to go into Outbox right here. So here it is, tap on it, and as you can see I have nothing in my Outbox, which means I have successfully solved the problem. So what I did was simply going into our settings right here, and you want to go into apps right here in your settings, and from here you want to go into manage apps right here, and from here you want to go and search Gmail. And once you have searched Gmail right here, you want to go and first stop this first, and then you want to tap on clear data, and from here you want to tap on clear all data, and from here you want to tap on OK. But in my case I won't be doing that. I won't tap on OK because my problem is solved, but in your case you should do that. You should clear all data on your Gmail, and what that would do is that you need to sign in into your Gmail again right here. You might need to sign in, but that is really easy. And after that you want to go here into our Outbox and see if the problem has been solved. You just have to send it again. You can try refreshing it, and after that you should have it sent already right here from the Outbox, so you won't have any problem with it anymore. And that's basically how I solved it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.